All right, I am super excited to show you this. This is a new technology from Unreal Engines. If you're not familiar, Unreal is a game software developer. They've built all sorts of technology for application game development, and they've been building a new gaming engine that's really state-of-the-art. Saw it about a year ago. They showed a technical demo of some of the technology, but just this week they released a video of the Matrix, and I've got to say, it is unbelievable. It's truly the state of the art in terms of where technology is going from a visual perspective. If you're not familiar with the Matrix kind of takes you on a deep dive journey which really examines the idea, are we living in reality or is our reality a simulation? Again, really deep and interesting concept, and of course they've taken it one step deeper by bringing you into an immersive gaming world that is in fact a simulation. Is Keanu Reeves real or is this an actor? And they've digitized large sections of the movie to make it more immersive and interactive. So the initial cutscenes feel like a movie, but as you get deeper into the demo, you can actually see interactive elements where you can really take control of the action and start interacting. And just look at some of the detail in these action shots and sequences. The physics, the smoke, the clouds, the little pieces of glass that are moving with their own physics and their own interactions. The level of detail is kind of amazing. You really do think that you're watching a movie, but it's totally interactive. Look at this car chase. I mean, it is unbelievable. It looks straight out of a movie. Totally sucks you in. Oh my God, look at that. And so we're shooting out the tires, we're chasing the car down, and everything just looks incredibly realistic. I mean, it does not look like a video game. It looks like it's a scene directly from a movie. As we get deeper into this demo, it actually shows you that it's actually interactive. And so you can see some of these scenes of the overall city. Just the amount of detail is absolutely stunning. It actually shows you that it's interactive. You can change from nighttime to daytime. You can turn on the polygon mode so you can actually see some of the details in all the billions of polygons that are actually making this city come to life. Absolutely amazing. Again, if I was looking at this normally, I would say that is just a scene from a movie. Someone shot that on the streets of New York or some other large city, but it is in fact polygons, billions and billions of polygons, and it looks amazingly real. It's just crazy to think. Now, the key thing about this interactive experience is that it is truly interactive. You can get in a car, you can start driving the car, and as you get closer to different objects throughout the city, it all retains that level of detail. It retains the level of realism. It's completely nuts. I've never seen a technical demo that goes into so much detail, and that's exactly what this is. So the Unreal Engine 5 is a new piece of technology. It's blurring the lines between reality, virtual reality, and what is possible in video games. This is a technical demo, so it's not even a game, it's an interactive demo that you can get for the latest Xbox or the latest PlayStation 5. And so it is something you can download, you can play around with and explore, but it's massive. This is over 28 gigabytes. So it's gonna take you a while to download it, but it is an amazing experience. They're obviously hyping up for the new movie. I want to congratulate the Unreal Engine team. I can't imagine how much time and effort went into building this technical demo. It's truly an amazing feat of technology, state-of-the-art graphic design, and where gaming and interactive applications are going. Super excited to bring you this. I'm Raiz. Thanks so much. Catch you on the next one.